Hello everybody and welcome back to Tracy's Florida Homestead, and I wanted to give you an update on the garden here. And our garden is now being built. It's about 40 by 40 so far, and probably won't get much bigger than this until we get all of the fruit trees in here. We have the vegetable garden at that end, and we've got a lot of the fruit trees that are going to be lined up down here. Now here we have the standard pineapples. I've got a yellow banana. The big one in the middle is a lemon tree. I thought I had killed her a long time ago. Thank God I didn't. She's doing great. Then you got more pineapple, and then you have a blue ice cream banana. I've never had one. I'm just really excited to try it. They say it's very creamy tasting banana, like sweet like ice cream. Then we have our pineapple. Some of my ornamental plants I don't have names for. I don't know. But I just call them my plants. They're mine. I've had them a while. I love them. And this is a red. One side is red and white dragon fruit. And then the other side is a red dragon fruit. I don't know what that means, but he does. They're his babies. He loves the dragon fruit, which is cool with me. I've never had one. I'm really excited to taste it too. Here we got today on sale, we got 2 trees for $100. The one in front of me, closest to me, is a fig tree. It's called a brown turkey fig, and I've never had figs either. Hey, I might like them, I might not, but I pretty much will like all fruits. And this one, considering its size, was a steal, and it already has fruit. It's a fig, man. It's a fig. But the one thing about the brown turkey figs is you have to check them, because some of them have holes in the bottom, and it's a natural thing. It's to let air gases out, from what I read, or something like that. But you have to make sure that the fly wasp doesn't get up in there and make him a little home. So if you eat a brown turkey fig, always check the bottom. This, is a mandarin tangerine. I love me some tangerine. I'm not going to grow oranges or grapefruit because I have got hundreds of acres of oranges and grapefruit around me. So this is my own personal little tangerine tree. And as you can tell, it's fixing to rain. I'm trying to get this done, but my camera keeps going off on me. I don't know why. But welcome to Florida during hurricane season. This can happen at any time. But we don't have to water our plants. God does it for us. But this is the vegetable end of the garden. And it's going to start at this small because just me and my husband, we don't need tons of vegetables. Just enough to can and get us through. But so this is the 2 wicking systems right there, the red and the black one. They're going to be for like bell pepper and maybe an eggplant, and put some herbs and some smaller stuff in it, like a cucumber plant. But this is going to be for my lettuces and my beans and stuff like that. And this here is a plant my mom gave me before she passed away, and this is supposed to be a chive plant, a garlic chive. It smells more like garlic than it does onion. Okay, I gotta be honest about that. But I use it all the time, especially in eggs, scrambled eggs or omelets. It's really good. My other vegetable bed, and I've got 3 tomato plants in there. I've got 2 rainbow mix cherry tomatoes and 2 beefsteaks. One of the beefsteaks is in that wicking system that's blue. This is the grandfather dragon fruit, and this is a red and white, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, these are his babies, and they're growing like a weed. Look how big that baby got off of there. Let me turn this so you can see the size of that. 3 weeks ago, it was just a nub on its daddy's head, way down there. So dragon fruit are prolific growers. I'm sorry for making you dizzy, but I just wanted to give you a visual of how tall the thing has gotten, and we've got to get it in the trellis because it's growing quick. But this is another wicking system that will also be for other cage type vegetables. I've got carrots and onions and lettuces and all kinds of things. And this is a yellow dragon fruit. This is the suggested trellis for any kind of dragon fruit that grows straight and falls. Because what it'll do is it'll grow straight up this, up here, and then hang over here, and the fruit will grow right here. I'm hoping to see it work really good. And if this grows as fast as the other one did, we're going to have them dragon fruit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the addition. See, there's 2 pineapples there. I had to treat them for ants. They had bull ants in them. I don't know why them and nobody else, but, and as you can hear, my chickens are all going crazy. You hear that? He's so funny. Ooh. I laugh at him all the time. That's my Polish. He is a white-crested blue Polish. And these are my hens that lay my eggs, the little brown Easter eggers. I got all color eggs. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have bored you enough, and I hope you have a great week. Don't work too hard. And if you do, don't name it after me. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. And let everybody know, hey, you can grow exotic fruits in Florida. All right, actually, you could probably grow them anywhere. So I hope you have a great one. Come back and see us soon.